Lifepro graciously sent over this walking pad for me to try out. This is the Timber Trek. I love the look of it. It has this nice wood finish. It would fit very well into like a modern apartment or house. It just overall is not an eyesore whatsoever. So it does come with an extension cord, which I'll show you. It has lubrication if you need that. It has this tool that I'll explain. It has the remote, and it came with the battery to go in it as well as these directions, which are very detailed. So you will have to plug it in the front here using the cord that is included. So I have it here by my couch, and the cord is probably at least 6 feet long, but depending on where you want it, you might need an extension cord. It just goes in right here, and then this is the on-off button. So what I would recommend for safety especially is to unplug it and turn it off every time that you're not using it. And then also what's really nice is that there are wheels here in the front, so you can easily lift it from the other side and push it under a couch or wherever you want to store it. So you press the button to turn it on right here, and then the digital display will come on. At the top here, you will see calories. This is the amount of time you've been on it, and there is a little bit of an error here. I have reached out to the brand to let them know, but this will tell you the distance, and then it will switch over to the speed. Pick it up like this and wheel it. Obviously, I would unplug this. I really like this remote too. It has a little hole here if you wanted to put like a lanyard on it so that it's always with you. I definitely recommend not being on this with this not near you, because this is how you're going to turn it on and off and change the speed. So when you press play, which is the start button, as long as that button's on in the back, it will count down from 5 to 0, and then it will start moving. It is recommended to have your feet off to the side and then step on. It's going to be really slow at first, which is what you want. Like I said, the digital display has a little bit of an error here, but I'll walk you through this. So I can increase it like this. So we have 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. There's the distance on the side, and this is the time in the middle. I can keep increasing. It's really quiet as well. I can decrease if I'm going too fast. And I feel like I have a decent stride, and that's probably why there's a height limit. And I hate when like treadmills, I feel like I'm like too short, but I feel like I have enough space to walk. Sorry, it's hard to film and walk without like hitting the front or anything, or the sides. And then to stop it, you'll press the stop button and it will slow down gradually. I would definitely wait for it to completely stop to step off to the sides. This one is recommended for a maximum height of 5'4", but I'm 5'6" and have not had any issues with it. And then the weight up to 198 pounds. The max speed on this is 3.6 miles per hour. Now, as far as maintenance goes, you'll notice that there are 2 red lines like this on either side. When this track gets a little bit off center, you need to adjust it. You need to make sure this is in the center before beginning any workout. I'm going to show you how I adjust this to make it center again. That's when we'll be using this tool, this side of it, and there are screws here, right here in the sides, that you will be adjusting to get this to realign. Directions for realignment are on page 20 of the manual. It will tell you how to adjust the running belt if the belt is running to the left of center or the right of center. Now, in this instant, I would say it's running to the left of center. This is saying to start up the belt at 2.5 miles per hour and then use that hex key to turn the left adjustment screw on the back of the walking pad 1/4 of a turn clockwise. So you're going to be taking that and tightening it, okay? And you're going to let that run, and it's supposed to move itself a little bit this way. Now, what I've found out from trial and error is that if this needs to be a little loose in order for it to go, okay? But not too loose because it's going to go way to that side. You need to make sure you tighten it and or press stop on the tread so that it stops and the track itself stops. I personally have not done this yet, but the directions give you the clear steps on when to use the lubricant and how to do it right here.